Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful baby blanket. You remember previous video I told this motif, how you can make this motif. This video we will join them together and make a border on it. I love this border on that motifs. I hope you like it too, like me. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. And you can make a blanket, only use this stitch, this second and the third rows I told in the video. Hope you will like and try. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our baby blanket. Let's start crochet. You remember previous video I told how can you make this motif. You can find it here now. Today we will join them together and make a border on it, like that. I join 3 pieces and we will make this fourth one together and complete this project. I put my motifs like that. You can put them which you want. Okay, I prefer to use like that. And take my light color. First of all, make a slip knot and put the back sides together, front sides looking at me, and insert into the first corner and the second motif's corner and join with single crochet from the corner and put it like that. Then it's so easy. You can see these loops. I insert into the first motif's back loop and the second motif's front loop, like that. I take one loop, all the motifs, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch. I made a single crochet only corner, the other stitch using slip stitch, and using only one loop, one motif, one loop, one motif. Take this, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch. Take it, join with a slip stitch. Like that, come to the corner. Come to corner, last stitch and come to corner, insert into the first motif and insert into that second motif's corner, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. This time insert here and take the, we finish the joining this part, so we need to connect these two, so I insert here, then this motif, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet, then make my slip stitch again, turn this side and keep doing same thing. Take one loop, one motif, one loop, one motif, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch. Do the same thing like that. I come here and turn to you. I come to the end and don't forget join into the first motif and the second motif's corner and join with a single crochet. I locked my yarn and hide this tail and complete the joining. Now we start to make our border. I take my first color and first of all make a slip knot Then insert into the any of corner I choose here. Join with a single crochet and plus 2 chains. I accept these 3 chains as a double crochet. We turn all around and complete this corner, so I will add here 1 more double. Chain 1, skip 3, insert into the 4th one and make 3 double. 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the 4th one and make 3 double. You can adapt that chain 1. If it's so tight comes to you, so you can add here 2 chains or 3 chains. Okay, chain 1, skip 3, insert into the 4th one. I will come to the corner like that. I come to corner and turn to you. Chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, comes to here. It's not important, left 2, 1 or 2 stitch here. Make 3 double. Chain 1 and come to corner. Make here 2 double, 2 chain and 2 double. Turn to the corner. I come to second side. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the 4th one and make 3 double. Chain 1, skip 3, insert into the 4th one and make 3 double. Turn all around the blanket. Chain 1, skip 3, come to the first corner, make 2 more double crochet, chain 2 and join with a slip stitch with the first double stop here. Now lose this loop and take my second color. Make a slip knot, insert into the chain 1 space, grab my yarn and make a single crochet, join with a single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip these 3, come to chain 1 space and make a single. 1, 2, 3 chain, skip here, come here and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, skip here, come to corner, make a single crochet. Do the same thing until come to the corner. I come to corner and turn to you. Chain 3, skip 3, come here and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chain, I come to corner, insert into the chain 2 space, make a single, make 1 more single, so I have here totally 2 single crochet. Chain 2, insert into the same corner space and make 2 more single crochet. So I made here 2 single crochet, 2 chains, 2 single crochet, and again make 3 chains, skip these 2, come to the chain 1 space and join with a single crochet. I made here 3 chains, not 2, because I want to turn easily. Chain 3, skip 3, come here and make a single crochet. Complete all around this blanket, come to first corner and turn to you. I turn all around and come to first corner, chain 3, come to the corners, chain 2 space, make 2 single, 2 chain and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, then chain 3 and join with a slip stitch, first single crochet, and lose this loop this time. I insert my hook from the corner and take my first color. I will work in the third round with the first color. 1, 2, 3 chains, count as the first double and make here 1 more double crochet. I have 2 double crochet here. This time we will work only chain 3 space. Chain 1, come to chain 3 space and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip here, come to next chain 3 space, make 3 double. Chain 1, come to next chain 3 space, make 3 double. I will keep crocheting as same as, and when I come to the chain 2 space, again make here 2 double, chain 2, 2 double, chain 1 and come to chain 3 space and make 3 double. This is our third round, always 3 double, chain 1, 3 double, on the corners 2 double, chain 2, 2 double. I complete third round and turn to you. I complete the third row, chain 1 and come to the first corner and make 2 double, chain 1 and make one more chain and join with a slip stitch. And you can cut your yarn, because I only use 2 rounds with first color. You can want to make more bigger border, you can keep crocheting as same as. Okay, I complete the fourth row, my border. I will cut my yarn. I join and cut my yarn, then I will take my second color. But I want to remember something. If you want to make more wider border, you will repeat second and the third round which width you want. Okay, I want to finish it in 4 rounds, but you can keep crocheting as same as. I will show you the last round. I take my second color and make here a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chain. Insert into that first 2 loop, grab my yarn and make a single crochet and make a picot here. Then make 1, 2 and 3 single crochet. Insert into the chain 1 space. This is fourth one. 1, 2, 3 chain. And first here, second here, I insert my hook. I have 2 loops. Grab my yarn and make a single and make a picot. Then make 1, 2, 3, come to space, 4 single. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert these 2 loops, grab my yarn and make a single crochet. I will do the same thing until come to corner. I will come to corner and turn to you. I come to corner, you can see I made here 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and come to chain 2 space. Make here a single crochet, then make 1 more single crochet. And I want to make a big picot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. And insert my hook from these 2 loops. Again, grab my yarn and make a single crochet. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have here 2 loops here. I insert my hook, grab my yarn and make a single crochet. Then the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains, and insert from the same 2 loops. Grab my yarn and make a single crochet. Then make 1 more single crochet in chain 2 space. This is our corner. Then do the same thing. 1 and 2 single crochet. Do the third one in the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3 chain. Insert your hook from these 2 loops. Grab your yarn and make a little picot. Turn all around this blanket and finish our project. I complete and turn to you. I complete my blanket. I think border is so fit to it. I hope you like this tutorial, and I want to say something to you. If you repeat 2 and 3, the second and the third row, you can make a blanket only with these two stitch. And this is the last round of our border. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.